friends, it's Adam Stevens and I am pleased to bring you 681 South Hawley Street in Denver's Virginia Vale neighborhood. This all-brick ranch home was built in 1960 by Bogue Co. and features the warmth of original birch kitchen cabinets and newly finished oak hardwood floors. The home has a flexible floor plan with a front-facing kitchen looking out on the street, and in the back of the house, against the privacy of the backyard, is the living room, which has a flexible floor plan allowing you to put the dining room on one side or the other, depending on your preferences. Bedrooms are down a central hallway. You have 3 bedrooms with a main bath, and the primary bedroom has its own ensuite bath, an unusual feature in a home of this vintage. Downstairs, you'll find the red carpet, an informal family room with plenty of built-in shelving and lots of space for all of your recreational activities. Outside is a wonderful, private, and green backyard with many trees and a large deck overlooking the sea. Virginia Vale is wonderfully located within a short drive of the Cherry Creek Shopping District and downtown. And within walking distance of this home, you have the Virginia Vale Swim Club, a French bakery, and other dining options, as well as the Cherry Creek Trail. With a unique and flexible floor plan, plenty of living space, a private treed backyard, fabulous location, and classic mid-century feel, this home is perfect for you. Your dream home is waiting here in Denver's Virginia Vale.